friends like me. PatACake, clap your hands. Bake it together with happy plans. Roll it and pat it as fun as can be. A perfect little cake for family. PatACake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. PatACake, nice and round. Mix it up gently without a sound. Stir it and swirl it smooth as can be. A yummy little cake for you and me. PatACake, soft and sweet. Make a little cake that we can eat. Sprinkle on sugar, 1, 2, 3. A sparkly treat for you and me. PatACake, warm and bright. Smells so good, oh what a delight. Cut it in slices, 1, 2, 3. Sharing is fun with friends like me. PatACake, clap your hands. Bake it together with happy plans. Roll it and pat it as fun as can be. A perfect little cake for family.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. He wobbled and giggled, ready to fall. Brownie and Snowy came to play. Hold on tight, they shouted hooray!
Humpty Dumpty, don't you slip.
Hold that wall with your little grip.
All the king's horses, all the king's men
We'll fix you up and smile again. Oops, oh no, Humpty fell down. Crack went his shell with a funny sound.